If you could spend 24 hours with anybody, dead or alive, uninterrupted, who would it be and why?
Dead or alive?
Yep, dead or alive.
Jesus.
Okay. Why?
Yeah. Well, he's God incarnate, so you can't get any better than that.
Yeah.
And again, this goes to anybody, whatever they believe, whatever.
Mm.
The man was incredible. And it's weird. Why would I spend that time? To learn even more, just to be in his presence, the humility that he exuded, and the determination that he had, his resoluteness to see, justice done humbly by dying on the cross for our mess ups. That is insanely worthy of imitation. And for me, I am indebted to him and what God's done to help me to understand that in full by reading. By reading his word. It's a great guide. I know there's a lot of other guides out there and there's a lot of other things out there, but what's helped me to understand greatness is humility. And some people just don't get that, but I'm so grateful for that because he was a perfect example of that. So much so he died for us. I mean, wow, that to me is incredible. So yeah, why and what would I learn from him? I would only know if I spent time with him. But the main thing to me would be, I would just give him a big hug and tell him how much I love what he's done for me, how much I love his commitment to me. And understanding love is so much different than what a lot of people think it is. It's true commitment. And that's what he was, and that's what he is. And that's the reason why I would choose him over anything.